What is up, YouTube? My name is Brandon Rogers. This channel is called Chili Dog Motorsports, and we are in my driveway with a 2005 Harley-Davidson Road King. We're gonna be fixing the shifter today. Let me show you what's going on. Now, a very common problem on these touring models with factory forward controls is sometimes these pinch bolts will vibrate and loosen on these spline shafts. And when they do that, you end up stripping them out real quick and you end up with this, which is not conducive to anything. So today we are going to be replacing this spline shaft and this rear shift lever. Let me show you how it's done. To start off, we are going to go ahead and remove the toe shifter, get that out of our way for now. You can do so by just removing this pinch bolt here. And the way these are designed, unlike a lot of other motorcycles, you have to pull the bolt all the way out because there is a notch in the shaft that the bolt kind of goes through and engages. So pull the bolt all the way out and then just wiggle that shift lever off there. Sometimes it helps to take a flathead screwdriver and just gently pry the lever open as you pull. There we go. Get that out of the way. You remove these bushings also. And then we will go ahead and remove the pinch bolt that is on the back side of this rear shift lever. And then we will go ahead and remove the shift linkage from the top of this lever. So kind of around get to a good spot right over. Just set that out of the way for now. And now we can go ahead and rotate this shaft into position. We can get a flathead in there and just kind of pry it open to help get the shaft out of there. That gently pried open. Go ahead and remove our shaft. Now we can see these splines are not looking great. This is what strips out and causes that to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna replace this shaft. We're also going to be replacing this lever. Well, now with our new shaft and our new lever, we can go ahead and reinstall them the same way the old ones came out. Go ahead and put that guy in there, get the shaft on there. Take our brand new bolt. Now I would suggest dabbing a little bit of Loctite on these. Just a dab will do ya. Get that in there and make sure it is tight. You don't want to be doing this again. So now if there's no play in that, it should be good and tight. We can go ahead and reinstall our linkage. Sure that one is tight as well. Then we can go ahead and reinstall our bushings and our shifter. That all the way on there. We can go ahead and reinstall our shifter lever bolt. Make sure that one is good and tight as well. And check to make sure everything still works properly, doesn't bind on anything. I guess a big, make sure you got your shifter in the right position. And just like that, you have successfully fixed your stripped shifter. Should only take you about 5-10 minutes. It's not a hard fix at all. We appreciate each and every one of you guys watching. If you like the parts we used today, we're going to link them all down below so you can get them too. But I think it's about time you get out of my driveway, go work on your own bike, huh? Get out of here.